Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Matte Edition, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the apps. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down and go to all apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Simply wait patiently until it will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.